Today, I'm going to show you how to replace your vinyl double hung window. And for this one, we're going to be replacing it from the outside. The only difference will be we won't be removing the interior casing, but we will be removing the window stool and the lower trim. So stay tuned and let's get started. The remainder windows, those two and these three, are vinyl windows. So they are a little different. Concept still the same. And on this one, I've already removed the window and the track. And that's what you will end up with. Now this is the casing for the window on vinyl windows. So if you're doing it from the inside, you would remove your casing and then remove this part of the casing and then slide your window in and butt it up against here. And that'd be your lip all the way around. But in this case, I have some wood repair that I gotta do from the outside. So I'm gonna be replacing the casing around the outside. So for this window, I'm gonna install it from the outside. So I'll be removing this lip here along with the window casing from the outside, the brick mold from the outside, and I'll slide it in from the outside. But like I said, I gotta put some repair work for this one as well as that one there and this one. So I may install all of them from the outside. I know those two have rotted seals also. So, but that's the concept. So like I said, if you're doing it, you remove your casing and then just remove this lip from the inside here and then just butt your window up here and shim it and then screw it in. So in this case, we'll be putting in a new seal and the actual drip. I guess the end of the, well, we'll be putting in a new seal plate. So you can see we got rot here, but everywhere else is pretty good shape. So if you're doing it from the inside, that's the piece. This is the lip that you'll be looking at when it's attached. So you remove this from the inside, just butt your window up, and that's how you do the vinyl replacement windows. But this one, we got some work to do. So for now, we just got it temporarily locked in place, but that's how you replace a vinyl window from the outside, or if you were doing it from the inside. So we'll get it shimmed up, caulked, and foamed, spray foamed. And this is what it looks like from the inside. So just need to come back and put the window stool on. But you don't have to mess with the casing and mess up the walls. So since we're going from the outside, that's how you do it from the outside. So the first thing you want to do on your vinyl track, this is your vinyl track, that's how it actually pushes in on both sides. So we're going to raise your window and remove the frames. So you just push this in, and if you have tilt windows, it tilts out. Push in and tilt out. And then next, you just basically tilt it sideways. And that's how you're going to remove your frame. From the top, it'll be the same. So push in. And then just tilt sideways. So next, we're going to remove the track, and this is your vinyl track. Just going to pull it out. Same on this side, but just pull the track out. And it just pops out. So that's what you will end up with for the setting of your window. Now for this one, we're going to be replacing the window seal also, because as you can see, it's damaged. So you'll get a bonus on this one, how to replace your window seal. So from here, we're going to go ahead and remove the window stool and the under trim. So once you got it down, all your trim inside moved, you're going to remove the window seal next, and that's here. So the easiest way to do it is, once you get it to this level, just to actually cut it and lift it out. And we're going to remove the nails that are holding it. So we'll just cut these off. So next, we're going to remove the exterior casing all the way around, both sides and the top. We're also going to remove the trim that actually holds the window in. So that's where our window will be going behind. So next you're going to measure for the length of your seal plate. So disregard the burnout. We're going to have to come back and fix this. But you're going to measure from inside here to inside there. So you can measure from here to here, and that's going to be the length of your seal plate depending on what type you're using. We're going to be using the vinyl type, so it comes in 2 pieces, the seal plate and then the bull nose around the front. So we're going to measure it from here to here first. So yours will be a straight cut on both ends fitting into here. I cut it at an angle just to fill in some of that, since I'm gonna have to patch that up anyway. So next we want to get it into that notch. And the next piece we're gonna measure is gonna be the inside. So we'll measure from here to here, and it'll be our bull nose to here. So this is what it's made like, and this track fits along here. So we're gonna caulk this first, but I'll show you how it fits in. Then we'll tack it in here. So that's how you replace the seal. So let's get it caulked and tacked in. So that's how you will replace the window seal. So the next step will be to insert our window. So let's get that opened up and put in. So once you leveled your window and shimmed it, the next step will be to come back and put your 1x back around the window, and that'll be your window stock. So you can get some 1x and go all the way back around, and then we'll come back and put our case molding around the window. So that's how you replace a vinyl double hung window. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification for upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.